Magneto, wetin you dey do? Na shoot I dey shoot. Staff sergeant na crook I dey shoot. E be like music, say na hook I dey cook. See as dem dey laugh, dey open 32. Who you see? Na Naija actors. Which one? Chidimokeme,
King of Shantytown, Ogene.
make dem no come carry me go Ikotek Mene. I for shoot, make e no go hit Mr. Ebubele.
See Yabo Joe, Ekwele.
Shoot Mercy Johnson, she get belle. See that Igwe wey dey rap,
Which one?
we get belle. I for shoot Regina Daniel's hand, but that's weird.
There's a guy standing beside her.
Oh, that's Ned. The guy with the blue suit,
No, that's red.
Eating brown cookies, bruh.
That's bread.
I for shoot Nancy, but she too fine, and no be hypo.
Shoot Adesua.
Na banky wife, oh. Make them no go kick your head, no shoot Jim Aiko. Bimbo Ademoye, na that type I like. Shoot Patient Ozokwo,
You know they fear juju.
Chiweta Lago,
You know they fear juju.
Pete Duce,
You know they fear juju.
Kanayo.
You want shoot to juju.
I for shoot RMD, but that man too cool. Ike Obona, Hans Anuku, Yvonne Jegede,
I like her. Uhu.
Nina Riganaga Woni Shege Mugu. Who you shoot?
Na Desmond Elliot.
Now next week I go tell you who I shoot.
Shifu mix.
So you're welcome. You're here for your test results.
Doctor, I am here for my test result.
Okay. Hold on. You see, looking at the epidemiology, pathophysiology, and prognosis of the furore of your Titanic lodging malady and pyrexia febricity.
Jesus.
So what you're suffering from, which means your predicament is neuralgia, cephalgia, and hemicrania, and it has disintegrated your basal ganglia, hypothalamus, hippocampus, cerebrum and cerebellum, and your encephalon.
All this sickness for only me?
That is why your brain pan and cranium is submerged in a holly-bolly hub, jumbo-tumbo, muddle, mayhem, and bedlam.
Calm down, make him finish. You know, say you get hypertension. Doctor, I beg, continue.
No, don't be in a gallimaufry of hodgepodge, humdrum, conundrum, and pandemonium because it is devoid of familial hypobeta, proprotemia, and pneumonotra microscopy silicovolcanoconiosis.
Jesus.
Doctor, all this sickness for only me? I'm not sure say I will survive. You don't die. This hypertension go don't kill him. Jesus! Doctor, he said the sickness when you call too plenty for him. Say nothing saying go fit survive him.
Which sickness? From what I said from the test result, he does not have any sickness. The only thing he have is just ordinary headache. Which sickness?
Now only headache can be all this grammar when you speak so. You don't kill my brother with grammar.
Jesus.
You don't kill this man with grammar.
Gaga to an gaga.
SP, hi David. Meet my guy, Biscuit Bone. Biscuit Bone with SP. Six. Yeah, this shoe na fake now. Nike Airport Pro Max substandard. The original one was moved to Japan. One of one. It was because of the ozone layer depletion they made this. You don't know the inspiration behind the shoe you are wearing. 2024 Vapor Pro Max. And I fake you they wear, bro. This shoe they never do 2024. You don't they wear 2024. Now fake they be this one.
Bro, don't be fake, Joe.
I fake. How much you buy am? You are wearing fake. The original on the normal day when I flip it, it won't land, but it landed. And when I flip it the second time, it's supposed to land, but it didn't land. This is fake. But I thank God for you. This is original fake. The normal original, bro. You know if you afford them.
May nobody whine me, may nobody whine me, may nobody whine me. This is a robbery. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Don't worry, no worry. Stay inside, stay inside, stay inside, stay inside, yeah? Job I just start.
Case number 411. Embezzlement of church fund.
To the prosecuting counsel, we have the court.
Okay.
Thank you very much, my lord. My lord, as an academic juggernaut and educational apparatchik and egghead in this cosmopolitan metropolis, let me punctiliously perorate and meticulously adumbrate my point of view vis-a-vis this case. You see, as we both natter and confabulate in this Kurero, I want to outline the whole dinkum oil, thereby giving you the crinkum crankum and the nitty-gritties of this case.
Okay.
This law dey for her, be there again the church.
You see, this speculator and kleptomaniac deglutionized, snaffled, nobled, and peculated and enormous Pantagruelian and elephantine funds, that is to say, spondulics and wonga, that was meant for revamping, reconstructing, and rehabilitating the church edifice. So at this point, looking at our phantasmagoria and physiognomy, that is to say, the body anatomy put in simple words, we can see that she is very, very robust, hunky-dory. So that is to say that she has been spending this moolah and wonga. So with this evidence, I can tell you categorically and extensively that she is guilty. Thank you.
Defending counsel, you now have the audience.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord. May you no mind this way this man they talk nonsense. They speak grammar. Now what you can do for you? Does he have evidence?
Continue.
I might not have concrete evidence, but I have circumstantial. Me, it can't take you for a young. I don't go for my time, you. And it is proven. Not be only she thief the money. Oh.
God have mercy upon us.
Juju. I never go Juju. I be Christian now. What be Juju?
Is a waiting. You know they go Juju, but you thief church money.
This is my verdict. With the evidence before this honorable court, on count 1, stealing church funds, you are hereby found guilty and you are hereby sentenced to 600 years in prison.
Okay, baby. I'm going to do this kind of thing now. You gotta go your prison now. Yeah, I'm going to my office.
You go thief, they go carry you go prison.
God!
How many times have I told you to put your clothes in the house? I tell you every day.
Now after this, what next?
Let me see if he'll come to calm me down.
Now there is so much tranquility and peace when she's away.
Yani, he won't even follow me.
So this tranquility means we won't eat today. Oh. Or should I order takeaway to calm her down?
Let me just go cook for him. I see if he'll apologize.
Oh, she's cooking. So it means the argument is over. And but why do only Boda guys love Chelsea? Because
So he won't even come to apologize. Actually, I won't even cook for him.
she's not cooking again. So it means the argument is not over. So should I go and touch a bam bam to calm her down? You know, sometimes women can be emotional for no reason.
Let me just go cook for him so that I don't make this worse.
Oh, she's back. So it means the argument is over. So why is Mandamano on Thursday and Monday? All this Mandamano for Thursday is a throwback Mandamano.
So this man can't see the mandamano that is in his house.
Kwani the argument was not over.
Or he won't apologize. Let me see if he won't apologize now.
Should I go and touch a bam bam to end this thing once and for all? She will feel like this is the only thing that has brought me here. Let me sleep like a man.
Yani, this means tonight we're not doing it again.
Yani, my pride is making me to sleep dry spell.
devil.
And what is this you're doing?
No, I don't know how this thing happened. That's the devil. Just
how could you do this to me?
It is the devil's work.
What is he saying?
And who is this woman?
No, it is the devil. She's the devil.
It's the devil.
No, it's the devil. So me, I don't know. You're complaining the devil has did this thing, and I'm saying it's the devil, and you actually,
But man, who was my papa? Hey, no, we didn't get you. You be a side to the be a metal to say you know to know.
Oh. Hey. How fast do we hear of this?
Batman! 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 Some small boy in the corner they beat me. Oh, I'm going to start to be young because I didn't. I don't do anything. I swear. You don't do anything, no, he beat you. He beat me, but you save me. Yeah. Batman, only you. What? You are sitting my place, please. You can't beat me. I'm sitting my place, please. You can't Batman. Hey.
Run,
Batman, what do this now? Batman. Fufu run by now. Bye. When you had no good people, you come and retire. Send them a retire, no. You can come with your money, you can find out. Yourself the season.
Again. How many times have I told you to stop smoking? You don't see. You do not deserve a smoking hot girl like me. We're done. Bye.
What's your baby? You know the go. You know what you talk. She dey break up. You know they hear anything.
Oh, I know hear what she talk. Oh. She no speak loud. Indeed.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Peace be unto this house.
Which fire you?
Which peace?
Where you see that peace? No open your mouth to talk peace at all. Because now what you can't see here. I know what I did. I know what I did. I know what I did.
Come here to tell
I know what I did. I know what I did. I know what I did. Give me my true mark.
Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So what's your name and what are you doing for us today?
I'm Adams Lassisi.
Adams Lassisi.
Yes.
Nice
like
name.
this. I'm a poet. I do spoken words.
Oh, that's great. Lovely. So shoot.
Okay, sorry, a little history about myself.
Okay.
I've been doing spoken words for like 5 years now. I started just in another day, in another place, in another way. That's actually one of my pieces that I wrote, but you might not understand it. But all right, before I start, whatever I say that you like, that catch your attention, please don't applaud me. Just snap at me like this.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
The title of my spoken word is Freedom. Freedom. Like, are you free or are you dumb? You need to free your mind, and you need to free your mind from dumbness of heart that is pounding, like pounding fufu. Are you fool or are you a fool? Fufu. I spoke. I told them. Yes, I spoke. I spoke to Tunde, but Tunde heard not. Tunde, don't go east. Tunde rather go west, but Tunde heard not. I sat in the south and I was watching through the paraphernalia of my own hands. What are my hands used for? Wash hand basin. I am begging. I am laughing, crying. My cry is like laughter. Nobody is applauding. Nobody is looking at me. Nobody is smiling at me. Nobody is smiling at me. Why are you all savage? Savage like Tiwa.
See.
I'm not done, so don't jazz me.
Oh, gosh.
What? Who is asking me who knows wisdom? Wizkid. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, you think Wiz is dumb? Wiz cannot be dumb.
Okay, stop.
Wiz did Ojuelegba. Wiz did sucker. That's why they want to suck all my strength. But my strength and my power lies in the burden of my chest.
Are you done?
Africa, Mama Africa. I raise my hand up. I raise my eye up. I raise my eye down. I shoot out my nyash for you. Mama Africa.
Are you done?
Kiss me before the sun. Freedom. It's now that you do.
Why are you doing that?
No, I'm rejecting it.
Okay. So, for your mind now, that's where you do so now, not spoken words.
Yes, spoken words. I wrote it down. I've written this thing for I think this was one of the first pieces I wrote.
You are just mentioning people that you think that you impress us with. You spoke to.
I didn't see you guys snapping or doing anything. You guys were too carried away by the intensity, Abi.
Of what now? You spoke
because
to me
because there was nothing.
All the lines I dropped. All the lines I dropped. You know, the part I said, I'm not done, so don't jazz me. Don't jazz it. You didn't hear it.
And so?
How is that any?
Is there anybody that can say that kind of thing?
I can say it. I'm not done, so don't jazz me.
But the way I said, the way I coined it, the way I did it, you can everybody say it.
I'm not done. Don't jazz me. I've said it.
All right, thank you very much. Unfortunately, it's a no for me.
It's a no for me too. Fortunately.
Wait, it's a no from you. People don't know what spoken word is. People that know what spoken word is, we appreciate this thing I just did.
Oh, okay.
I even link it to Mama Africa.
Stop shouting. The words you have spoken are not spoken words. Thank you very much. Please, you can leave.
When I said I'm
not... He said you can leave. You can leave.
Is it because of what's on your shoe that you are staying? You can leave. Leave. Leave.
I'm ashamed of you guys. I'm ashamed. If you don't know what's spoken, you guys are not intellectual.
You are the one that's not intellectual.
You are not intellectual.
Family, you are mad.
You are mad. You are not.
Get out from there. Get out.
So, hey, get out. Something I did. I know what I did. I know what I did.
Come here to tell
I know what I did. Give me my true mark.
Come. Okay, come.
Want to beat me?
Hey!
No. You dey use your generation to play.
Hey!
Jesus.
Sorry.
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Mano, León.
Dios mío, señor, sálvame.
Guy, this song they make me crazy.
Who is the artist?
Davido now.
Oh, Davido. I don't really like Davido though.
You can't just push me out of your house because I say I don't like Davido.
You can use your function to play.
Mom, what are you doing? These are my stuffs. To me, you are dirty. You are dirty. Because I don't like Davido. What's wrong with that? Why would you not like original glory? Born glory from heaven. Who carry original glory past Davido? Omu Yaba made Davido. Omu Ala, no blame me, blame me. Mom, for your papa lineage, they don't see glory before. Mom, to me, I've disowned you. Omu Ale Jala Jala.
Anybody here? Hey! Anybody here? I'm not the only one here. So what's your crime? Well, I chose breast over Nash. Oh wow, that must be nice. So what's the crime? I told him I don't like Davido. Eh? Yeah! You fucking did what?
Oh guys, man, I don't tire for woman. Guy. I met one woman last week, but she came out on. Damn. God. I met a woman yesterday, same, but she didn't knock. Oh, red flag, red flag. I can't miss this girl too.
Hi.
But. Indeed.
If it's me against the world, then I'll be heartless.